Loops in QBasic. Loops make it easier to do an action multiple times. Loops are also known as iteration. There are at least 4 types of loops: if, go to, while, went, do loop, and for next. If, go to, also known as counter method. It uses a variable called a counter whose value keeps on changing with each iteration. The execution of the program stops as soon as the counter reaches a terminating value. Example: x equal to 10, start, print x equal to x plus 1, rem. This adds 1 to x. If x less than 15, then go to start. Output 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. In this program, 15 is the terminating value of the control variable x. The while went commands continue a loop until a specified expression is false. To use while went, 1. Place an expression after while. 2. Enter a list of commands. 3. Place went at the end. Example: x equal to 10, while x less than 15, print x equal to x plus 1, went. Output 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Do loop is exactly the same as while went, except it has at least 2 slight advantages. With do loop, you can loop until an expression is true, loop at least one time regardless of whether the expression is true or not. To use do loop, specify whether the loop continues while the expression is true or until the expression is true, using the while and until statements respectively. Place an expression after while or until. Enter a list of commands. Place loop at the end. The following uses the while statement: x equal to 10, do while x less than 15, print x equal to x plus 1, loop. The output is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Program using the until statement: x equal to 10, do until x equal to 15, print x equal to x plus 1, loop. The output is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If you place the expression at the end of the loop instead, the program goes through the loop at least once. Example: x equal to 32, do, print x equal to x plus 1, loop while x less than 5. The output is 32. This is the output because the loop was only gone through one time. Read and data statements offer an alternative method of assigning values to variables. Below are 2 ways of assigning the variable x the value 2. Method 1, x equal to 2. Method 2, read x, data 2. Here are 4 ways of assigning x the value 2 and y the value 3. X equal to 2, y equal to 3. Read x comma y, data 2 comma 3. Read x, read y, data 2 comma 3. Read x comma y, data 2, data 3. Program in which read data is used. Read L comma W. Let P equal to 2 asterisk sign L plus 2 asterisk sign W. Print within double inverted commas perimeter equal to P. Data 6.5 comma 2.3. End. Line 1 says read L comma W. When the computer sees a read command, it looks for the first data statement in the program. There it is down in line 4. Line 1 wants to read L and W. There are 2 numbers in that data statement. They are separated by a comma. So the first piece of data in the data statement, 6.5 in our case, is assigned to the variable L, and the second piece of data, 2.3, is assigned to the variable W. Incidentally, it doesn't matter where the data statement appears in the program as long as it is before the end command. The output in this program will be perimeter equal to 17.6. Another program using read data. Read $, A, B, C, D, E, F. S equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. AV equal to S backslash 6. Print $, AV. data moon, 94, 85, 87, 97, 90, 92. Output will be moon 90.83334.